Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set call forwarding to another number on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Phone. Next, we go down and go to the calls section and tap on call forwarding. Now at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on call forwarding and then tap on forward to. Next, you need to put in the phone number that you would like to forward the call to and then tap on the back key. And that's it. From now on, when call forwarding is switched on, it will forward to the number that you have entered down here. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.